My name is Shuji. I'm a soba chef. Sometimes I get to fillet the long fish, eels, because we love char-grilled eels in hot weather, like it is in summer. And I bought this morning live eel, and I put lots of ice in there so they go to sleep. They hibernate in winter, just as they go hibernation. Put lots of rice and then they go sleep, and then you put this and then fillet. So maybe you don't want to see how I fillet, but some chefs might want to see them, so I decided to do it. Okay, if I don't want to kill, or if I don't want to show you how to fillet the fish, I don't have to. I can always ask the fishmongers to have them fillet it, so I don't have to kill, but someone has to do it. Yeah. This is Nagoya style eel filleter, eel or conga fish, conga eel, anago. Of course, you can fillet with an ordinary filleter like this, but I'll use this one, and this to spare the eyes. So, if you don't want to see it, just close your eyes for a moment. Okay? Take the livers out, take the livers out. Backbones out. Sorry, mate. Unadon. Just cleaning the liver. And this is the Nandake, what's this in English? I'll find out. This is pita. So carefully take that out. Without squashing it. The liver's clean. The liver. 이게 들어온 거나 봐. See this, it's kind of a blue little thing. This is bitter. Ooh. Take it up without squeezing it or cutting it. Successfully done. Just clean. Just clean. It's all clean here. Just wash off the blood. This one's good. This one's better. So yeah, I don't get to do this every now and then these days because I'm a soba chef and people don't come for dinner, you know. So I don't get to fillet these from time to time these days. So that means I am not good. But that's quite alright. There's not much meat on the backbone. This one, the first one, it's got quite a lot of meat, the flesh, sorry. But I will chop it up and then deep fry. You can eat. We eat the bones, the back bones, and a little bit of meat on the bone. And then for dinner, I'll start chargrilling. I will show you the next process later in the afternoon. In the evening, as I chargrill the eel. Here you go. Oh, still moving. Still just makes the move. Amazing, amazing. The life. Still. Ooh. Some may not. To some people it might be disturbing, so do not watch it. It's alive, you know. It's still alive, even after being filleted. So eel's a very strong fish. As I said over and over again, someone has to kill fish, poultry, kangaroos, beef, for us to keep eating, keep enjoying. Just take these blood out, remove. See that? The backbone is still moving. Amazing. The power of life. See? Use this part of the knife, the filleter, because this is strong. You don't crack the blade. This part is used to fillet the fish, so it's quite thin, and if you try to break the strong bone like those, it might crack. But the eel backbone is not that strong. Hello again. I am going to skewer the fish and grill. Also need to skewer the liver, grill, and grill, chargrilled. Well, very fresh. Okay.